Hey Rich, good morning.
Hello.
Hello, so this EP3's been here before, but last time we were tuning it, the clutch was slipping quite severely, so he's had a new clutch put in, and you're just tuning in that area again, making sure everything's okay, aren't you?
Yeah, I had to feed power in last time quite gradually because obviously it was slipping sort of quite badly, and it didn't necessarily, it didn't slip in standard form, but obviously once we brought the Vtec in lower, it started to slip. So I did suggest obviously getting the clutch in, doing some mileage, and then we'll have it back and just recheck and basically make sure everything's okay, because you know we were sort of part throttling until higher up in the rev range, but yeah, it's not too far out, so needs a little tweak.
So that's what we're doing today, isn't it, mate?
That's it.
Excellent. Black EP3 back after having a clutch fitted?
Yes. It came to us a few weeks ago, well, probably a month ago or so. Clutch slipping issues. Once obviously we started tuning on it, I wouldn't say we abandoned the tune as such. We obviously just made sure it was safe enough for the customer to drive, and sent them away and said obviously get a clutch fitted, put some running in miles, and obviously have it back and we'll check it. That's exactly what we've done this morning. Made a few extra ponies, which is always nice. I think we finished on 250 or 217 last time, I think maybe.
Yeah,
we were.
Yeah, and we're at 220.
221 now we've finished on today, which is nice. So a couple of extra ponies, but obviously we've been able to work on the map a little bit more this morning, obviously with a clutch that can...
Made more in the mid-range again, didn't we? Yeah,
made more in the mid-range again. But again, some of that obviously could be down to the clutch slipping originally, and obviously hence the reason we obviously suggested that got changed. But yeah, came out really well. Nice clean car. Did everything that it needs to do. I think it's, you know, the exhaust of this car, it's got a cat in it, was probably its power point restriction. It's got a Tegular airbox on it, which to be fair does look quite dirty, so I would imagine the filter's pretty dirty in there. So again, could do with a good clean, but I think the exhaust size is a bit down, and obviously got a sports cat in there as well, which never generally helps. But yeah, I mean, one of those, if you want to remain legal, then you have to cost yourself some power, don't you?
Oh, legal. Legal's good.
It is Friday. I'm going to say it's almost a week until we open the paint shop. So
I don't want to talk about that.
No, I'm just...
Why have you ruined it for me?
No, I ruined it. I'm just saying it's a week till we open the paint shop. I'm just informing the people so it just follows a date timeline as to where we are.
I'm excited for the paint shop opening. I am.
Oh yeah, we are. Ultimately excited. Uncle Keith has officially finished his job now, where he was working. He's got a couple of days holiday this week to use up, and he's got a week's holiday next week, so that's nice for him. So he's got a bit of time off before he jumps in at the deep end
here.
Before
breaking.
Yeah, before he turns up a week on Monday here. It's his 40th soon, and he'll hate me for mentioning that, but it's his 40th in a few weeks, and his missus has bought him a nice shiny toolbox. He said he daren't bring his old toolbox to our unit, where we've obviously the amount of work we've done and all the painting and everything, so it seems fitting to have a nice new toolbox, which to be fair I did see in his hallway last night in all the boxes ready to bring it down, so
well done, Kylie.
That's quite nice to see. Yeah, I can't wait to get a video done, to be honest. If we could just get the other lads getting their bits done, they're in there now doing. Hopefully they sort of said they're going to try and get finished this weekend, so if all goes according to plan and it does get finished,
we'll do a video.
We'll do a video.
And the best thing about YouTube side of Uncle Keith's Paint Shop is you guys are going to see that business from its inception. So the day Keith puts his key into that door, you're going to see a business develop on a YouTube channel. I don't know of anywhere where that's happened before. So day one, month one, year one, the start, the first day it will be on YouTube, and pretty much moving forward, you'll see how much work he does do, and the quality of it is going to be amazing. And you're going to follow that business from as you have done, from inception, from the idea of it right the way to, forever.
Yeah, I mean, I think that people have been asking for updates, and we haven't really put anything on for the last 4 weeks. There's been a lot going on in the last 4 weeks, as you can well imagine. There's so much tools and equipment and different vendors and things going on in there that I don't want to video it in an undone and unfinished state, if you understand what I'm trying to explain.
Thanks to everyone who has checked in on us. I know we're not doing the lives in the morning at the moment. We're trying to stay positive. Thanks to everyone who's checked into us. People like, FN2 Mark and Barnsey, people that are wishing us well all the time. We really appreciate it.
We're just so busy. The morning chats have gone out the window because we're obviously dealing with liaising with other things most mornings and getting on with that. Obviously, there's a lot going on in the paint shop. Plus, obviously, we're still running this business. So we're still trying to run this business and do everything that we need to do and keep our customers happy and get everything done. But then there's also that side, we're obviously getting that ready as well. And like I said, I don't want to do any videos until everything's complete. We've got Sarah in there doing artwork at the moment.
Which looks awesome.
Which looks great. We're well excited about that. Gary's been in there painting again most of the week.
Couldn't do it without Gary. What a legend.
Yeah, he's been amazing with the paint work. He's been in there this week. He's painted like the whole inside of the oven out, the whole outside of the oven out. He really has worked hard again this week.
We've got to pay him.
Yeah, we have to pay him. Yeah, yeah. So it's it's that scenario. So it's just I don't want to do any videos or anything until it's complete. I want to show it off in its entirety, and I think that's the best way to do it. And we're hoping that, like I say, that will be the end of next week, and there'll be a big reveal on it. So we're dead excited for that. But there's a lot to do between now and then. But should we have a look at this graph?
I think I need to earn some money between now and then.
Okay, well, let's get on with it then.
Okay, so there we have it.
I still heard that stupid noise.
I'm only doing it for Kato now. He likes it. Right, so red line is it's actually starting point of today, and blue line is as she leaves. So you can see we've made power across the rev range there, and we finish on 221 brake horsepower, which is pretty good stuff. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Thanks for listening to us about Uncle Keith's Paint Shop. Do me the honours of going and following the YouTube channel Uncle Keith's Paint Shop, and do drop the code word Uncle Keith's Paint Shop down below. Or in fact, let's use code word on this video. Thanks, Kylie. Let's put thanks, Kylie, down there, because he's got a lovely new toolbox. And we'll see you on the next one. Hey, Rich!
What?
See you on the next one.
Will indeed.
We will indeed.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.